Mama.
What is a rabbit sound? Funny sound.
I guess so. I
They
don't
keep
know.
making noise. I forget what kind of noise it is.
That sounds about right.
What does the rabbit say?
You know how tame they are, though? I just couldn't believe it.
We're gonna eat your base.
Was that his mouth? I love you, Daddy.
Sophie.
He's got whiskers. Oh, I thought she was going with a poop. Come here. Come here, baby. Bunny. It's a bunny. Ooh, it is hot, even with the air conditioner on. Baby. Sweet bunny.
Yeah.
Bunny.
Wow.
Yeah, Todd had to change the door on the other one because he could open it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.